Welcome back, friends. Today I am feeling inspired to cook and feeling a lot better. So I wanted to share this easy, nutritious soup with you. It's pretty quick. And if you've ever had minestrone soup from Olive Garden, this is pretty close. I just used up whatever I had, some carrots, onions, garlic, celery, summer squash, and some sugar snap peas. I also threw in some broccoli, some kale, and some tomatoes. So grab a pot and drizzle in some olive oil, and you'll be sauteing your onions on medium heat. Make sure to add some seasoning, some salt and pepper, and cook them for a couple minutes. And then you'll be adding in your garlic. And if you're new to my channel, I love cooking. I was under the weather for a while and wasn't cooking at all. So I have a lot of recipes on this channel, ones that I kind of make up as I go. But I wanted to share how to make just an easy soup. Usually, you always start with onions, celery, carrots, and then you add in whatever other vegetables that you want to add in. I'm not following a recipe, but I can guarantee you that you're going to love this soup. After you add in your vegetables, add in your beans. I did not have kidney beans, so I'm using cannellini beans. These are great in soup. I feel like they break down a little bit. I really enjoy these beans. And vegetarian meals are really healthy. Now I am adding in my chicken stock. This soup is very easy. I did not make this homemade chicken stock. I actually used Better Than Bullion. You measure it, it's 1 teaspoon to 8 ounces of water. And I really feel like it's great if you need something quick. And I added 8 cups. Now I'm going to be adding about half a can of these tomatoes. San Marzanos are great tomatoes. What I usually do is I'll pull the tomato out, kind of squeeze the juice out, and kind of hand crush it into the soup. I did end up adding half of the can of tomatoes, like the juice, to make this soup. It wasn't brothy. It had kind of a tomato base, but not too much. Cooking for me is kind of that saying, wing it, try it and see what happens. When you're kind of cooking without a recipe, you really learn a lot with every dish. And with this dish, I didn't even really think about adding tomatoes until halfway through. So I feel like you just try stuff. But here I'm adding in some broccoli. I did about a handful of broccoli, little pieces. One secret ingredient is Parmesan. And what you can do is cut off the rind and just stick it in, and it will melt as your soup cooks. And I've learned that you don't need to shred your Parmesan cheese. You can actually just cut off a chunk and throw it in. Another key thing for soups is fresh herbs. Here I'm adding some parsley. And when your soup is pretty much done cooking, you can add in your kale. I added about a handful. Just wait until you taste this. Look at all these nutritious vegetables. And the broth tastes so good. And I'm gonna sneak in a little bit more Parmesan cheese. You can never go wrong with that. So let this cook a little bit longer. That Parmesan cheese, the little block that I added in, will melt. And you can see how much it's melting already. But this soup, I think I made it in less than an hour. It's pretty quick. I'm adding a little bit more herbs from my garden. Some rosemary, thyme, oregano, just a little bit to add a little bit extra flavor. But this soup I will definitely be making again. And my kids loved it. And all of us did actually. So I hope you guys can try this. The soup is even delicious in the summer. You might actually have some stuff growing in your garden that you can use. I hope this inspires you to make your own soup at home. Thank you all for coming back to my channel. And I know I've been away for a while, but as I get inspired to cook again, I will be sharing some more recipes with you. You can also check out cityfoodiefarm.com. You will find a lot of recipes on there as well, and I'll leave a link below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy cooking.